Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In this episode, we delve into the positive close for Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow amidst a soft jobs report. We'll discuss PayPal's downgrade at Phillip due to the Rule of 40 discrepancy and Berkshire Hathaway's surprising cut in Apple's stake. We'll also explore analyst predictions about bonds entering an early secular bear market while stocks remain in a late secular bull market. Hear Warren Buffett's warning on AI's role in scams, and get a preview of Palantir Q1 earnings with focus on its commercial division growth and AI platform. Join us as we dissect GameStop's 51% surge in a two-day rally, another meme rally perhaps? We'll also unpack Berkshire Hathaway's impressive Q1 operating earnings gain of 39%. Why, with cash hitting a record $189 billion. Lastly, we'll shed light on Ford's hidden $80 billion beast under the hood that investors might start noticing soon. Stay tuned after this short ad break to learn more about these intriguing developments. On Friday, United States stocks experienced a significant increase. This surge followed a jobs report that fell short of expectations, suggesting possible interest rate reductions by the Federal Reserve. The Nasdaq Composite, which is heavily influenced by technology stocks, rose by 1.99%. In addition, the Dow Jones Industrial Average saw an increase of 1.18%. Apple's stock also saw a notable rise following quarterly results that exceeded expectations and an announcement of a record buyback worth $110 billion. Concurrently, Treasury yields decreased as traders purchased more bonds in reaction to the jobs data.
Phillip Capital has revised its rating for PayPal holdings from buy to accumulate. This decision comes in the wake of the fintech company's growth not meeting Phillip's Rule of 40. Despite a positive first quarter with increased payment volume and growing operating margins, PayPal's average revenue growth combined with its adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization or EBITDA margin only reached 33%, falling short of the required 40%. Phillip Capital predicts further contraction in margins as PayPal channels its earnings back into product enhancements.
Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, has reduced its share in Apple by more than 22% in the first quarter of 2024. This brings down the value of their investment to $135.4 billion. This decision was made even though Apple demonstrated robust results for the second quarter and declared a record stock buyback worth $110 billion. In contrast, Berkshire Hathaway has amplified its investments in American Express, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and Chevron.
Bank of America's strategist, Michael Hartnett, proposes that bonds are currently in the initial stages of a bear market. This is primarily due to inflation, which is being fueled by fiscal excess and debt. On the other hand, commodities seem to be stepping into a bull market phase with gold surpassing stocks ever since the commencement of the trade war between US and China. Stocks continue to linger in an advanced bull market stage which could potentially culminate with either a bubble or recession. The US dollar too finds itself in a bear market when compared against cryptocurrencies and gold.
Warren Buffett, the chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, voiced his worries regarding the potential misuse of artificial intelligence, or AI, for fraudulent activities during the yearly shareholder gathering. He likened AI to a genie out of a bottle, emphasizing its capacity to be used for both beneficial and detrimental purposes. Despite his warning approach, he recognized the significant part AI plays in propelling market expansion for corporations such as Nvidia and Microsoft.
On the 6th of May, Palantir Technologies is scheduled to announce its earnings for the first quarter. Predictions from analysts suggest a rise compared to last year's figures. The firm, specializing in data analytics, has seen its shares triple in value over the previous year due to excitement surrounding artificial intelligence. While their commercial division has been successful, government contracts have shown inconsistency. Notable recent achievements include securing a contract with the U.S. Army worth $178.4 million and forming a partnership with Oracle for global cloud and AI solutions.
On Friday, shares of GameStop skyrocketed by 29%. This marks a 51% increase over the span of 2 days, even in the absence of any specific news related to the company. The sudden surge, which resulted in a trading volume that was 8 times higher than usual, is reminiscent of the 2021 meme rally. This previous event led to an astonishing 2,775% rise in GameStop stock value and ultimately resulted in Melvin Capital filing for bankruptcy.
Berkshire Hathaway's operating earnings for the first quarter of 2024 have seen a significant increase of 39% compared to the previous year. This substantial growth has been primarily fueled by its insurance and energy sectors. The company has also repurchased its stocks worth $2.6 billion, showing an increase from the $2.2 billion in the preceding quarter. Currently, Berkshire Hathaway holds a record-breaking amount of $189 billion in cash and short-term securities. The annual meeting for shareholders is scheduled to commence shortly.
Growth in sales of electric vehicles in the United States has experienced a slowdown. This has prompted Ford to postpone the launch of its new electric pickup and SUV. On a brighter note, Ford's commercial division, known as Ford Pro, is flourishing with a business worth $60 billion that provides vehicles and services to commercial clients. Despite apprehensions regarding the long-term viability of aggressive electric vehicle strategies, Morgan Stanley continues to hold an overweight rating on Ford. This is due to anticipated enhancements in capital utilization. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in your knowledge, stay informed, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's been a pleasure, until we meet again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.